What's up, you guys? Me and Peyton are out here again, magnet fishing, and we have pretty high hopes for this spot, but we're gonna get to it. Hope we find something good.
There's a couple stuff on there.
Dude, you got a bunch of stuff. Hey.
Bunch of bolts. Something's under there.
Huh.
I don't know what all that is.
It may take 2 magnets. I hope not. It's coming up though.
Dude.
Dude.
Hey, let me hook
Dude, okay.
Let me hook on just so you don't drop it.
I don't know if y'all can see that down there, but I don't know what it is. Okay.
Oh, we got it. Oh,
Oh crap.
slowly.
It's full of water and it's
How
heavy.
did you find that?
What did we get? It's like a radio. I think it's an old radio.
What? How'd you find that?
Dude.
I can't believe you pulled that up.
I think it is an old radio.
Oh, I feel it moving.
Alright.
Oh.
Is it lifting?
Yeah.
Whatever we got cut both my fingers. Dang.
It's big. Please don't fall off.
Woo! You got it.
I think you
Hey.
just hung on it.
There's shotgun shells down there. We're gonna go get it. We've seen 4 snakes since we've been here.
You need the gloves?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Okay, here's the rag to start with. There you go.
And I hope I don't see another. Magnet for the win. Get this. Oh, I got wet. Gosh. I think I got it. That dude is heavy. I think with that we're going to swap over to this side of the bridge. You get some?
Yeah.
Hey, dude, it's like
Some little bullet casings or something.
nice.
2 of them.
They hadn't been in there very long. I don't think. Gosh,
Stuck on there. There we go.
we're on the right track.
It's a good first throw on this side.
There's something bigger though. I got junk metal. Okay. Oh, I came off, I think.
Oh, did you?
I don't know. I don't feel like I'm moving anything.
Mine's moving. Oh, did we hook? I think we did.
Your rope's still good. Hey, that might have helped us. That rope in there.
Dude, what is that?
Dude,
A bunch of nails from a nail gun.
holy crap.
Dang.
Well, that's kind of interesting.
That's pretty cool.
Oh no, better get that out of the road.
Yeah, you got a screw too.
Wow. And it's, well, wow. It's kind of,
Look at my shirt.
I was not expecting to find that.
No.
Wow. Heard something click.
Oh, what is that?
Whoa, is it a, oh, I thought it was a sign. I don't think it is. Jeez.
Dang, dude, catching everything today.
I know, Peyton.
There's another bullet.
Hey. Man, this stuff's nasty. Oh, crap. That was like broken off. Huh. Don't know what this is. Hey. It says something here.
It does?
Yeah. See what it says here.
National Safety Standard.
Complies with national.
Stove. It's from a stove.
A stove. All right.
There you go.
I don't
There's
know.
a stove.
I don't know how this stuff ends up in here. It's a pretty good spot.
Is that?
I have no idea. Gosh.
You're finding all kinds of stuff.
Man, we're finding the weirdest stuff.
I know.
I'm not good with this stuff. Like, what is that? I don't know. That's pretty heavy though. You got something.
Shot
One little-
bullet.
It's on that edge.
Let's not get this one stuck on the pipe.
Peyton brought the
Big gun's ready.
1,400-pound magnet. Okay, it's right here. Dude, this is moving though.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
If I could get this on it.
then we'll definitely get it. I think you missed it.
Come on.
Teamwork.
Come on. Teamwork makes the dream work right here. This is it. This is what we've been waiting on.
I hope.
I feel it. Dang, how far is it?
It was deep.
Oh, I see it.
What is it? What we got?
I don't know.
Can we pull that all the way up here? I don't know if y'all can see that.
How are you hooked?
Jeez, I have no idea. That was. Whew.
I don't know what it is, but
The 500-pound magnet almost had it. This is just for support.
yeah, I feel like it's easier coming up like that. Got something
Oh,
else.
it came off.
Oh no.
Are you still on it?
Yeah,
Oh no,
it's moving.
I'm not on. Hey, I'm
See if
not.
you can get on it. Are you on it? Oh, this is heavy.
No, I'm not.
I don't know how much more I can hold it.
Dang, I can't find it.
I feel you.
Okay, I'm on it.
Okay. I might fall in if this pops off.
It's moving, ain't it?
Oh! No!
No, or magnets.
No! Dang it. We almost had it. No! That's the big magnet too. Oh, freak.
Oh no, okay.
Thank goodness it's on the side. No!
That could have been bad.
Oh, it's moving.
Round 2.
Here we go. Come on, baby. Oh,
It's coming up
Come
this
on.
time.
there we go.
Oh yeah, fast.
We got it. What is it? Be something good.
I know we deserve something good this time.
I know.
No!
No!
I got it. Yours is gonna have to do most of the work here.
I don't even know what this is.
Dude, look! There's another
another
magnet!
Dude! That's one of the big ones like yours. 304 pounds.
Hey!
There we go.
Somebody's beat us here. Seriously, I didn't think people magnet fished around here.
Dude. There
Wow.
you go. That's worth it. That's worth the find today.
Yeah, that's like $60.
There we go.
Wow.
Good find. Would not expect to bring a magnet up.
What's on it?
A bunch of stuff. Wow.
I don't know who lost their magnet, but that's pretty expensive. Like a rope. The rope might have broke off.
Mm-hmm.
See, you gotta tie that rope. I don't know what kind of knot this is, but it's held all day.
I don't even know what this is.
Man, that's the same one I'm using.
That's cool.
I think this has been in there a little while. Wow,
But it's the same.
it's got some
Just like it.
junk on it. Wow.
Oh man. I'm an idiot.
Oh gosh.
Oh no.
See, this is why we brought gloves this time.
Oh, I about dropped it.
Nice.
M12. 3. Yeah, this is a bigger magnet. It says M16. This one says, yours says M12.
Nice.
Both 304.
It may be stronger then.
Wow.
I got like a piece of rebar maybe.
Really?
I'm getting so weak. No, I don't know what that is. I don't know. Be careful with that. And more nails. Oh, you don't like that one?
Yeah, man. Woo! Probably last time I ain't got nothing.
We're getting wore out
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
and cut up.
Hey, there's something on this one.
Hey, oh, and there's a train. What is that?
I don't know, some kind of metal block or something. Piece of iron or something. I don't know.
Add that to our pile. I'm gonna take a few more casts. Hey. All right, after about 2 hours, we're exhausted and bloody, and
Yeah, I look like I jumped in.
we're gonna show you what we found real quick. I still think this is, I might be wrong. I think it's like a radio that goes in a car or a truck,
Looks like it's got all the plug-ins back here.
but I think. And we just found all kinds of heavy metal. I'm probably gonna scrap it here sometime, not today. But I think this is our favorite find. We found it together, kind of. We both pulled it up. Just another magnet. That's definitely the most expensive found.
Yeah.
But this is a pretty good bridge. This is all in one spot. But I don't know. We may come back sometime later when it's not 97 degrees out here.
Yeah.
But
Good day overall.
I think that will make it for that video. Until next time.